Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 16, Surface Area and Volume. Practice set 16.2. In each examples given below, radius of base of a cylinder and its height are given. Then find the curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder. Before we start this, let's see, they are talking about cylinder. So cylinder means what? Any cylindrical figure. See, at your home you have Pond's talcum powder, और इन योर मम्मीज़ किचन, मम्मी के किचन में सारे मसालों के डब्बे मोस्टली सिलेंड्रिकल होते हैं. So this is said to be cylinder. Now what is curved? Curved मतलब ये जो स्टैंडिंग में राउंड सेक्शन है ना, जो ऐसे करके राउंड सेक्शन, दैट इज कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. एंड देन दे आर सेइंग टोटल surface means this standing and this top and bottom as well, जिसमें ऊपर और नीचे टॉप एंड बॉटम भी कवर होगा और ये राउंड, दैट इज सेड टू बी टोटल सरफेस. सो वी हैव टू formulas. Formula for curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h and total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r, then bracket means multiplication h plus r. Okay, so with the help of we will, so in each question, हर एक क्वेश्चन में हमको दोनों ढूंढना है, कर्व्ड भी टोटल सरफेस एरिया भी. सो फर्स्ट दिस साइड लेट्स विथ ये रेडियस दिया है और ये हाइट दिया है. सो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h. So 2 into pi is always fixed, that is 22 upon 7 into r. R is how much? 7 into h. H is how much? 10. Now 7 ones are 7 ones are, ये कैंसिल हो रहा था क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर दोनों सेम है. Now 2 into 22 44. 44 tens are 440. That is square सेंटीमीटर. Why? ये रेडियस का 7 और ये हाइट का, तो सेंटीमीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. सो ये हो गया. नाउ यह टोटल सरफेस एरिया of cylinder. Formula 2 pi r, then h plus r. This is fixed formula. So 2 pi is how much? 22 upon 7 into r 7, then into bracket h plus r. H is 10, r is 7. So ये 7 7 तो कैंसिल हुआ. 2 into 22 44. 10 plus 7 17. So 44 into 17. When you multiply, you will get 748 square centimeter. Okay. Second sums, again in same pattern we will start. Curved surface area, curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. So equals to 2 into 22 upon 7. Pi is fixed value 22 upon 7. into R is 1.4 into H 2.1. ना 7 1 जा 7, ये जो 1.4 है वो एक्चुअली में 14 है. सो पहले 0 लेंगे और ये पॉइंट हटा देंगे. Then 7 2 जा 14. Now when you multiply all this, see this is 2 into 22, 44, and 2.1 into 0.2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. Then 0 1 जा 0. 2 4 0. एक नंबर के पहले डेसिमल, एक नंबर के पहले डेसिमल. सो 1 + 1 2. सो दो नंबर के पहले डेसिमल. सो ये मिला 0 डेसिमल 42 4 2. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 44. वाई 44? 2 into 22. सो 4 2 जा 8, 4 4 जा 16, 4 0 जा 0 प्लस 1. सेम आएगा क्योंकि 4 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. तो 8 + 6 14, 6 7 8 1 और 2 नंबर के पहले डेसिमल. सो दैट मीन्स 6 7 8 18 decimal 48. So your answer is 18 decimal 48 square centimeter. Total surface area of cylinder. So formula is 2 pi r h plus r. So 2 into 22/7 into r. R is given 1/4 into bracket 1/4 plus 2.1. h plus r no, तो height plus r. So ये 7 1 जा 7 2 जा. So when you multiply 44 into 2 88. तो 8 decimal 8 into ये हम ऐड करेंगे तो 3.5. So after multiplication 30 decimal 80 square centimeter. This is a second sums. Now third sums. Third sums, radius 2.5 centimeter, height 7 centimeter. So we will take our formula curved surface area 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi is 22/7 into r 2.5 into h 7. So 7 1 जा 7 1 जा. So 2 into 22 44. 44 into 2.5. So 2.5 into 44. 4 5 are 20. 2 carry. 4 2 is 8 9 10. So again 4. So we will get 100. So after addition we get 1100. So and there is one decimal. So पीछे से एक decimal. So it becomes 110 square centimeters. Curved surface area of cylinder. Now curved surface area of cylinder. So formula 2 pi r. 2 into 22/7 into r is 2.5 into height plus r. So height is 7 plus 2.5. So here nothing will get cancelled. Here 9.5. So 2 into 22/7 into 2.5 into ये ऐड करें तो 7 8 9 9.5. So your decimal is little impossible. So first what we will do multiplication of all these 4, 9.5 into 2.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45, 46, 47, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, 19. 2375 into 44. Why? Because 2 into 22. So 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 4 3s are 12, 15, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 9. So multiplication 9.5 multiply by 2.5, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 9 45, 46, 47, then 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, 19, 5, 7, 2 into 44, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 3 carry, 4 3s are 12 and 3, 15, 4 2s are 8, 9. Then again we have to multiply by 4. So same will come. So after adding we get, and here there is decimal before 2 number. So before 2 number decimals. So you are left with 1045. So here 1045 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7, 3 carry. 7 4s are 28. So 34 minus 28, 6. 7 9s are 63. So 2 बचा, 65 minus 63. So 2 decimal. 7 2s are 14. 14. So 6 बचा. So 7 9s are 56. So you have to take up to 2 digit. So your final answer will be 149.29 square centimeter. Fourth sums, radius and height given, curved surface area of cylinder. Formula is 2 pi r h. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 70 into height 1.4. So 7 1s are 7 10s are. After multiplication 2 into 22 44. 44 ये 10 से डेसिमल हुआ, ये 10 और ये 10 डेसिमल है ना, तो इसका डेसिमल हट जाएगा. मतलब ये एक पॉइंट है ना, तो ये यूनिट टेंस 10 का पॉइंट होता है. तो अगर इसको 10 ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो पॉइंट हट जाता है. तो यहाँ पे वही हो रहा है. सो 44 इंटू 14 डेसिमल तो हट गया. सो 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 5, 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 5. So 616. So that means you get 616 square centimeter. Now total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r plus h plus r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 70. This much is already we are doing here. Then multiply by bracket. Height is 1.4 and radius is 70. 7 ones are 7 tens are. So 44 into 10, 440. And then after 20 and आपको ऐड करना है 1.4. यहाँ डेसिमल तो नहीं है ना, so 4 decimal 1, 71.4. So after multiplication we get 31,416 square centimeter. ये मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद इतना मिला. चलो फिफ्थ सम्स. Again radius and height is given. We have to just put formula and find out. So 2 pi r h, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 4.2 into h is 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. So now only multiplication. Once we do the multiplication, we get 369.60 square centimeter. Now total surface area of cylinder. So formula is 2 pi r h plus r. So that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 4.2 into h plus r 14 plus 4.2. So 7 ones are 7, 0.6, 7 6 are 42. So after multiplication 44 into 6. So we get 44 into 0 decimal 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 4 24, 25, 26. Before one number decimal. 226 decimal 4 into ये ऐड करेंगे तो 18 decimal 2. After multiplication we get 480 decimal 48 square centimeter. Okay. Second sums. Find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum if its diameter is 50 centimeter and height is 45 centimeter. Closed. Why they have mentioned? That means up and down, full, complete total surface area of we have to find out. So here radius is what? Radius दिया नहीं but diameter दिया है. So diameter upon 2 is equals to radius. So यहाँ diameter 50 दिया है upon 2. So that means 25 centimeter is equals to radius. And then height is fixed. Height 45 centimeter. Now we have to find out total surface area. So total surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi r h plus r. After substituting formula 2 into now pi's value they have given us 3.14. So 2 into 3.14 into r is 25 and then bracket height plus r. So height is 45 plus r is 25. So ये तो 90 बन गया. 2 into 25, 50. 50 into 3.14 into this is 90. Sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70. Now, 7 5 is 35. So this is 3500 into 3.14. So 0 we will take at the end. 4 5 are 20. 4 3 are 12, 13, 14. 1 5 is 5. 1 3 is 3. So 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9, 10. So after adding we get 10,990 square centimeter. Okay. Just go through some ones. Third question, find the area of base and radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. So here already they have given us curved surface area of cylinder. This is already given. Formula is 2 pi r h. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. R we have to find out into height 21 given. Okay, so 7 1 is 7, 7 3s are 21. This is 44 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12, 15. So now this curved surface area of cylinder is already given, that is 660. So what we have to do, this we have to, and here radius is not there, so we have to find out radius. So here this will go here, so radius is equal to 660 upon 152. So 3 is table, 3 5 is a table of. Now 22 into 2 is 44, 44 into 3 is 132. So this 132 will come here in bottom, then we will divide. So 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, and then ये नीचे डिनोमिनेटर हो गया, तो ऊपर 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are, then again 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, then 33 1s are 33 5s are. So radius is equals to 5 centimeter. Now what I have asked, with the help of this find base area of cylinder. So area of base of cylinder formula is pi r square. So pi 22 upon 7 into r is 5 into 5. Just now we got radius. So After multiplication and cancellation, we get 78.57 square centimeter. Go through the sums once. Fourth sum, find the area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Now here what they are saying, एक cylindrical कंटेनर जो ओपन है ऊपर से, मीन्स उसमें लीड नहीं. फॉर एग्जांपल ग्लास है, कोई डब्बा है जो राउंड है बट ऊपर का ढक्कन नहीं, दैट मीन्स एक बेस गायब है. सो वो सिलेंड्रिकल का डायमीटर दिया है, तो रेडियस इज इक्वल्स टू वॉट, डायमीटर अपॉन 2. सो 28/2 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 14 सेंटीमीटर. ये मिल गया रेडियस. अब हाइट is given 20 centimeter. So now what we will find out, यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या पूछा है, शीट कितना शीट लगेगा, तो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस बेस, एरिया ऑफ बेस. सो इससे हमको मिलेगा वो टोटल surface area of cylinder with open lid. So now curved surface area formula is 2 by r h1 and नीचे का बेस सर्कल हुआ पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ पे पाई आर कॉमन हुआ, तो अनकॉमन 2 एंड h1 और यहाँ से ओनली r. Why we did this? To make the calculation little smaller. Now पाई का कोई वैल्यू नहीं दिया है, so we will take 22/7 into r 14 into 2. हाइट कितना दिया है 20 सेंटीमीटर प्लस रेडियस वही है 14 जो अभी ढूंढा. सो नाउ 7 1 7 2 2 into 22 44 into 2 into 20 40 plus this 54. So after multiplication we get 2376 square centimeter. ये हो गया फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर. नाउ फाइंड द अप्रोक्सीमेट एरिया ऑफ द शीट रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक अ लीड ऑफ हाइट 2 सेंटीमीटर फॉर दिस कंटेनर. सो अभी ये सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हुआ. इसमें अच्छा रेडियस वही रहेगा क्योंकि उसी का ढक्कन बनाना है. अब ढक्कन का हाइट दिया है कितना 2 सेंटीमीटर. अब वापस से वही हो गया, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ बेस के जगह में टॉप बोलेंगे, ऊपर से ढक्कन लगेगा ना. सो वापस वही 2 पाई आर एच, ये दूसरा हाइट पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो वैसे ही कॉमन लेंगे, पाई आर कॉमन and inside 2 plus h2 and r. So 22/7 into radius 14 into 2 into this time height is only 2 centimeter plus 14. So 7 1 7 2 14. Then 44 into 4 18. So 44 into 18, final answer is 792 square centimeter. So these are the two questions दो जो क्वेश्चन पूछे वो दो क्वेश्चन का आंसर है. जस्ट गो थ्रू द सम्स वंस.